Guys, I'm scared.
Joe, I'm the killer. There's nothing to be scared of.
Holy shit, Obama. You suck so much. Just kill him.
Okay, fat orange, you do it then.
Oh my God, Donnie, run away.
I thought you said he was good. You're letting him get away.
What then? She just changed races.
What the hell, Donnie? You just changed her skin color. Give me the controller.
Are you blind, Joe? She's right there.
Where?
I swear to God, Joe, if you don't care, I'm gonna say the end.
Please don't let him say it, Joe.
I'm getting hurt. I'm getting killed.